Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are noticing, I'm wearing the same clothes as I did last video because I literally just finished up filming that video and I'm building the next one. Okay, today I want to talk to you guys about many dreams I've been having. That sounds way too cliche. I have a few dreams that I have. Everyone has dreams. Some of them are insane. Some of them are really insane. Some of them are just plain impossible. I'm not sure where I'm going with all of that, so I'm just going to abandon all that. And today, I'm going to talk to you guys about some of the dreams I have for this YouTube channel. I hope one day, I find myself that I like filmmaking a ton. I like the filmmaking where, I don't know, product commercials, stuff like that. It's a ton of fun. I love making these YouTube videos for you guys, and yeah, just like making this type of stuff. I like making goals for myself. So, by the end of this year, I hope to have, what number should I say? 150. Why 150? You're right. Because that's not impossible. I made half the year. I don't know, at the point I'm filming this video, I'm not at 70, I'm not too close to 100 yet, but maybe I am at this time I'm shooting this video. By the end of this year, I hope to have at least 2,000 views. Right now I'm at like 1,200, I think. And I hope to have 150 subscribers. That's like a good amount to have for the amount of like time I'm putting into these videos, gear I'm using in these videos. And also, if you guys are interested in the gear I use to make these videos here, leave a like or a comment or something if you want. I hope to have 2,000 views, 150 subscribers, and let's go with 30 uploads by the end of this next year. So, if you guys would like to help me out, and actually, I can totally help you guys out too. So, leave a comment down below if you're a young filmmaker, YouTuber type person. You can also DM me on Instagram at JoshGarland7, same thing as my channel. And just let me know. I might be able to help you out, give you some tips, feedback, that type of stuff. So, yeah, maybe I can help you out too. Thanks for watching. If you would love to follow me along with this journey to the end of the year and hopefully reach those goals, feel free to subscribe, maybe drop a like, leave a comment, do what you want to do. How should we end this video? How about a noggin to fade? Yeah, let's do that.